might be borderline a little bit too fast. You feel it, the car
Yeah.
bouncing. When you're going over these speed bumps, maybe 12, 13 miles an hour. The reason for that is there's schools. There's 2 schools here. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, we're taking the next road on the left, please. If the road's clear and there's nobody here, 15 and above is perfectly reasonable, okay? Continue following the road ahead. Now, because the blue arrow's on display, it's a command saying it's one way only. So you don't need to signal. And we're turning left only here. As we're going ahead on this road, we're going to continue following the road ahead. So that triangle, what's it warning you on the right?
Give way. Equal priority?
It means it's two-way traffic.
Ah, okay.
So we're going ahead.
So from one way into
Yeah,
two way.
so from a one-way we're going into a two-way. No, you're waiting. He's on your right,
Oh, give way.
and they're going down here.
Okay.
That's what I warned you of, okay? Now go ahead when it's safe. Yeah, does that make sense? Do you understand that?
Yeah. Yeah, that was a bit.
Now, if we're turning left at the end of a one-way road, we would normally keep to the left. What if we're turning right at the end of a one-way road?
Keeping to the right.
Okay.
Is this still one way?
Yes, yep, of course it is. Imagine another car coming up. How would you know if it's a one-way road?
There would be blue arrow.
Okay.
So I was
Tell me
able
the
to
next time you see
turn
one.
Right.
Tell me the next time you see one.
And the soft here.
This one?
Yeah.
So what was the round one telling you?
Sorry, wrong.
I'll explain in a few moments. I want you to pull up on the left where this gentleman's waiting. Anywhere on the left over here. After the double yellow in that parking box. Or parking bay. Stop anywhere here. Leave yourself enough room to get out. Just for a few moments, secure the car. Okay, what's the difference between a round, like that one down there,
Yeah.
that circle, and the rectangular one that was facing forwards? Facing upwards, rather.
You turn into one way, and that one was just you're going straight one way.
And that's the sign that you saw earlier on.
Okay.
When you looked and you looked to your right, you saw the round sign pointing to the left,
Yeah.
which was coming down this road. Who was that sign aimed at? Who was it speaking to?
For someone turning out.
From
the other road.
from the left.
Yeah.
From your left, anyone coming to the end of the road, telling them not to turn right and come up this road, telling them that they can only turn left.
Yeah.
Similar to what we had when we come onto this road. Yep.
The thing what confused me there, so there was, yes, there's like two-way traffic, but it was on the right. They were joining the one way, like going one-way street, but you were still able to turn right there, and there was two-way traffic.
Yes.
Okay.
You will be going over this road again. Yes, you're right. It was letting people come up towards the nursery.
Yeah.
So this is Horsforth Town Street. When you're ready, move off at the end of the road, turn right.
There's a bus. You go?
It broke down.
So you're just going
Mhm.
down.
At the end of the road, turn right.
It's running at a
See, now we're entering a one-way system,
Yeah.
and we're turning right at the end of the road.
And then there's giveaway. And I'm going down.
Turning right at the end of the road.
Alright. There's going. Okay. Ah, there's going. Okay, after this one.
Okay, so follow the road ahead. That would have constituted a test fail.
Oh, one way, so I needed to be on the other side.
Yes.
Okay,
So can we go back onto that road and
yeah.
we avoid that driver fault, serious fault? It would have been dangerous if there was a vehicle turning right
Yeah.
in that area, turning as you were turning. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn right after the crossing. See the crossing that's flashing amber?
Yeah.
We're going to turn right at them lights. So just a little further forward, you'll see the turn. Follow the sign that you can see, the white coloured sign.
Oh, okay, it's up there.
So it's the next road on the right. And this is the same road that I emergency brake for you at the top. So I stopped you there because the cars that were in this lane can only turn right.
Yeah.
So can you remember I hit your brakes
Yeah.
on this
Yeah,
junction? So follow the road ramp because it's still two-way traffic at the moment. And it's two-way for anyone coming out of Kerry Street. After Kerry Street it becomes one way. So now you can move to the right. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You understand it?
Yeah, the arrow there was like, oh, what's
Mhm.
going on?
And failing a test is so easy.
It's so easy.
It sounds unfair,
One
but
blink
reasonably,
and-
it's accurate. It sounds
Yeah.
unfair. It's like, oh my goodness, over a small mistake, but potentially it could lead to an accident.
Yeah, exactly. Because on where I was, the pedestrian crossing as well went off. So I started already go before it went off. But like potentially I was driving over the pedestrian crossing.
Stop for them. And the reason why we're stopping is we're not really going to get any further.
Yeah, it's
Let them
already-
cross before you move off.
Oh,
So let them get away from your car before you move off.
yeah. Like the normal crossings.
Yes, yeah. You don't know, he might have forgot his phone, his wallet or something. Might run backwards. Okay, so we're following the road ahead. And then at the end of the road,
What's the reasonable speed here? Because
speed
it
reasonable,
feels
10.
like 13.
10.
People walk 10.
10 for me is perfectly fine.
Yeah, because people walking in front of
Mhm.
cars and things.
So now at the end of the road,
Awesome.
turn right. It's a one-way road. So start your routine from now and keep right. And now signal so everybody knows which way you're heading and keep right. Now look at the floor markings. You can just about make out the giveaways.
Oh, but it's like even less visibility here.
Mhm. Make sure you signal him so everybody knows which way you want to go.
There was a car that came around the corner. Okay, I think after this one I can go.
Do you know the reason why you struggle? is because your front wheels, both of them, are not on the white line when you turn.
Okay.
That's it, nothing
So
else.
a little bit
Just,
forward.
yeah, no, a little bit positioning better.
Okay.
You stopped in a safe place, it's just your car
So should I
wasn't.
have been a bit more on the left and then...
Go around, do it again. Do it one more time. Make sure you're content with where you've stopped. I think trifle was on offer. That man's got 3.
Yeah.
No.
He's a big trifle fan.
Oh yeah, I love trifle. I love trifle. Trifle's my favourite dish.
Oh really?
I like trifle.
Trifle and Jaffa cakes, which one wins?
Jaffa cakes. Jaffa cakes reign supreme. And it's got to be the normal orange flavoured ones.
Yeah.
I've had the green, the apple ones, and no, it's not the same.
Orange. Yeah. They have the punch.
Yes, and you know the cheaper brand, they just taste like sour marmalade. Any particular reason why you stop before you turn in? There's nothing here.
Yeah.
So try and turn in at a safe speed that you're in control, but turn in rather than stopping and then turn
Okay.
in. You only reasonably need to do that if there's an obstruction or if it's a closed
Someone's
junction and you're not
parked,
able
yeah.
to see. And now look in your right door mirror and go around the vehicle. Keep your speed reasonable when you get into a busier area. So once we go past that person that's sat there
Yeah.
having a coffee, then gently adjust your speed. So
Then
you've got a
Spanish
reduced constant
Polish
speed.
or something.
Now this speed is good. Maintain this as you're going down the road. And that's because the pavement on the right is very low and it's a narrow area. And this is like the city centre of Horsforth now.
Yeah. Oh, it's tiny.
They've got all the shops here, they don't need to go into town.
Sure. Quite relaxed parking actually. You can still
And now
find
reduce your
something.
speed so you don't have to stop. Keep reducing, give him enough time. Now he's going to fit it, he's not going to fit it. Slow yourself down, now carry on. That's you being proactive.
His boot is like open. Not open, but...
His badge moves up because the car's got reversing camera.
Oh.
VW are intelligent, so the camera won't unnecessarily get dirty.
Yeah.
Whereas in my car, when I drive on the motorway, you can't see the reversing camera.
Yeah.
So at the end of the road, we're turning right again, but this time you're going to try and make sure that your front wheels sit on the give way, both the wheels. So at the end of the road, turn right, it's a one-way road. Position to where you think you'll get the optimal view.
Is it still out too much?
Mm-hmm.
Still constant.
Here's another one that's turned like you did,
Yeah.
turned right from the wrong lane.
That's so scary. Okay, I think I can go after this one,
Okay.
where that one is going.
That's fine. If you straighten your wheels earlier, you would have got a better view coming out.
Okay.
But it was fine, perfectly fine.